Alright guys, if you guys have a 1.5 ton Pittsburgh Racing floor jack, one of the aluminum ones, and it ever gets to the point where you pump it and you see the pistons moving, but it's not actually going up and down, like it hits a point where it's like maxed out, then you might have air in the lines. So a really simple thing you can do is let the bleed screw out right there. You just loosen and some of them are kind of tight, some of them are not. And then you just pump. You let all the air out. And see how high up it is now? Way better. And then when you do that, you can put the screw back in. Make sure it's pumped all the way up. And then tighten that guy back down. And then when you let it back down, and then you go back up, look at that. Right from the get-go, it pumps. Before we had like almost 45 degrees of play before it would even engage. But just bleeding it a little bit makes it so much better. Obviously, you should check your seals. Make sure that there's nothing old and worn because, you know, that happens. I've had to bleed this a few times, so I might have seals that are going bad. But if you're trying to, you know, fix it in a pinch, then that's a really simple thing that you can do to get your jack operational. So, hope this helps somebody.